Group 2. Multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions ask you to choose the correct answer from options. You choose one answer, A, B, or C, or sometimes two answers from A to E. Tip: read all options before listening. Wrong answers are close, but not exact. Listen carefully. This tests understanding main ideas or details. Group 3. Matching tasks. Matching tasks ask you to connect things, like statements to people or items to categories. Matching names. You match a list of statements to a list of possible answers in a box, e.g., people, theories, dates. Tip: names or items often come in order. Listen for them first. This tests relationships and who says what. Classification. You classify information into three categories, A, B, or C, like dates, names, or types. Tip: the categories repeat many times. Note them quickly. This tests sorting facts correctly. Labeling a diagram, plan, or map. You label parts of a diagram, plan, or map using words from the recording or choose from a box. Tip: follow directions, like north or left, while listening. This tests relating spoken description to visuals. These matching tasks check how well you follow connections in conversations or talks.